की इंडस्ट्री कलकत्ता में थी, अभी भी हैं. Everything was there. Everything. You can say East India Company means everything was there. And then this कलकत्ता शहर अभी तक भी उभर नहीं पाया है. Some of you have this knowledge or no? So that's why I'm saying what I was saying. I was not telling you to say that yes, that IR is a very important thing. It is very good now. In India, IR situation is improved. But there was an IR situation when every day some office used to be a strike. How many man hours used to be wasted, etc., etc. But Calcutta has not been able to come up ever since. And Calcutta airport, though it's a very big airport now we have built, but the passengers are very few. So you can understand that IR can, and Suzuki is another example. A best company of Japanese collaboration had to change its plans, at least maybe temporarily. Of course, now I don't know whether they are going to
production has become less.
Exactly. But their vision, as you say, remains same. Okay, please sit down. Thank you. God bless you. Okay, next. So vision बोल दिया, business continuity. क्या जरूरत है इसकी? Show must go on. Organization is going concern. At least 100 years तो चलेगी. और ज़्यादा भी चलती हैं. They are more than our lives. We might come and go, when we may join, leave, but then organizations keep on going. So this is much more important than the human being even, because the whole society runs on them. So it's pretty simple. Sustainability, survival, and who survives? Fittest is who?
Adapts the environment.
Sir, is it somewhere related to sustainable development?
Yeah, that's what. Very good. Good. You brought something new. Sustainable development क्या होता है?
Using current resources efficiently.
Fantastic. All of you are aware of this?
Yes, sir. Optimum allocation of your resources.
Yeah. And why we do that? Of late this has become a rage everywhere. Why we do that?
That we have resources for the future generations also,
So that is the advertisement to the car wala bhi na?
cycle wala.
Everybody remembers. Cycle wala? Cycle shop. Yeah, okay, good. So sustainability means that we have to use, but actually if you think, this was always there. In the management की definition में ही यही है कि right person, right place, right raw materials, optimum, right raw materials, right machinery, right technology, right time, nothing is wrong. So वो definition management की हमेशा ही ऐसी थी, but अब sustainability को ज़्यादा ध्यान दिया जा रहा है, because ultimately we means most of us have been using the resources recklessly. And in Indian conditions, you are aware of the economic problems. What is our biggest problem?
Population.
Besides that, population is no more a problem. You must understand that. No, I'm not. Corruption we will take 2 minutes, but I'm not going now. What is our biggest problem?
Celebration of natural resources.
No, in monetary terms, what is the
Agriculture, employment.
what is sucking our foreign exchange maximum?
Sir, less amount of export.
So-
more import.
Excuse sir. Sir, fiscal deficit.
खड़े हो जाइए आप. She has hit the nail in my head. नाम बताइए पहले अपना. मानसी, बताइए क्या ऑयल के बारे में बताइए जरा.
So two things I think is, one is gold and one is oil, which is being used which is being used by everyone, and it's like getting shorter, and we are exchanging too much of.
What percent of
Most
oil?
of the money is getting waste
What
because
percent of oil is getting imported?
Yes, sir.
कितना परसेंट ऑयल इंपोर्ट करते हैं हम? कितना प्रोड्यूस करते हैं, कितना इंपोर्ट करते हैं?
That I don't know.
Anybody else? No problem. Anybody else who would like to support her little more? Oil के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं. 70 to 80%, right? Very good. I'm happy that you keep abreast of the thing. That's why I'm saying every time you must be always up to date. As an executive, you are supposed to do that actually. You should be able to tell your boss what is new today, rather than he telling you go and buy that kind of mobile which is having much more apps and all that. You should be able to tell him as a matter of just information gathering or disseminating. So oil is our biggest worry at the moment. अगर 70 से 80% हमारा import है, तो हमारी foreign exchange भी उसी हिसाब से बाहर जाएगी. Ultimately, what you will have to develop? Nothing. 20% में और बाकी भी काम gold आ जाएगा जैसे इन्होंने बताया. And fortunately, she is not wearing any gold, so she is following the policy of Mr. Pa Chidambaram. Okay, so Betsy, please, thank you. Please clap for her. So oil and gold, they have been identified now as the biggest. Can I have some water?
Yes.
So we have to use our resources to optimum, and wastage of the resources has to be stopped at all costs for our future generations. We must use it for ourselves and also have enough for the future generations, not knowing that fossil fuel was about to end maybe in 2020 or 30 or maybe 3000. But there are different reserves of the fossil fuels also being found. The America keeps a lot of oil reserves. That's the policy of the country. But we have no policy because we have no money to keep reserves. Even if we want to keep reserves, we have no place to keep it. You have heard about the grains. हमारे यहाँ पैदावार इतनी बढ़ गई अभी, पर हमारे यहाँ warehouses नहीं है. So some of you should think when you want to become executives, you want to open your own enterprises, think of that as an option. हाँ, सब कुछ उनका ज़्यादा है. They can afford to import and keep their reserves as intact. That's a strategy. That's a strategy of Star Wars. Future में energy will be a decider who is the number one. Earlier the sword was the decider. जब हमारे war हुए, yeah, gun was the decider. But future में energy will be deciders. If you don't have petrol, all your things will be, all your cars will stop, all these flyovers will be empty. You don't know whether cycle ले जानी है क्या करना है. But the energy power, if you don't have power, your factories will be off. So that is why they are having a strategy to keep everything in reserve and ultimately survive beyond, and sustainability will all come. Okay, infrastructure is the economic driver. So taking the same example of US, I'm not particularly enamored by US, but when the economic things are better there, certainly we have to say X country is better. But what about China? Again, I'll ask the last row to respond. What about China? लास्ट में दीजिए. लास्ट लाइन तो बिल्कुल ही आराम कर रही है. Your auditorium should be a little more like this. New thought. No problem. I'm just joking.
Sir, actually China is also developing at a very fast rate and their infrastructure is also very booming. Because if you see Macau is very good. All of the best hospitality and any award function is being organized, people move to Macau. It is a part of China, so they are really good in infrastructure.
So what we should do in India?
We should also follow the same path so that we can get more development. That is build and transfer.
Not a negative thing now. Yeah.
Build and transfer, sir. Build and transfer.
BT.
Yeah.
So, but we don't have such resources or so much wealth because China is the greatest exporter in the world. China exports the technology to all the countries and they incur wealth from their exports. But India is not a great exporter. India is one of the great importers. So we don't have so much wealth to get.
तो क्या करें, यही तो पूछ रहे हैं आपसे, क्या करें?
We have China has developed their wealth from the technology they have been made by China, and so we have to develop our technology and so that we can get more wealth and imports from that.
See, yes, you're right, and he's also right. Infrastructure, I'm talking infrastructure के बगैर आपका So you have to change the laws. वो सब करने के लिए हमारे भारत में लेबर लॉ करने पड़ेंगे. How many say yes? करने पड़ेंगे ना? क्या नहीं होगा? क्यों नहीं होगा? यही इसीलिए तो आपको एग्जीक्यूटिव बनाया जा रहा है. तो हम इतने वीक क्यों हैं? अगर प्राइमरी सेक्टर हमारा इतना स्ट्रांग है तो हम इतने वीक क्यों हैं? आई एम नॉट सेइंग वी आर वीक, बट इकोनॉमिकली certainly we cannot say we are very big. It lacks in everything. It lacks in planning, organization, punctuality, laziness, autocratic leaders like Suhani. So I'm not putting negative to India. We are a very great country, but we are great in only thoughts. But China, difference is they work. So thoughts will remain thoughts. Work will take you further up. True? एक बारी क्लैप करो अब तो बिल्कुल ही.
India's population is so huge that whatever we produce.
How much is the population of China?
But it is more. But
How much?
We have more land space also. It is around twice the size of India.
फरीदाबाद के आगे जाओ, हमारे लैंड में क्या हो रहा है देखना आप. है? नहीं क्या वाई नो, उससे थोड़ा और आगे जाओ, खाली पड़ा हुआ सारा, बंजर पड़े हुए हैं. बट वी आर कंसंट्रेटिंग ओनली इन टाउन्स. Our people want lazy again. I said they want to be lazy. They want to enjoy. Even Chinese people enjoy more. But when it comes to work, I was telling you, punctuality, all those maladies have to go from our system. Whether it is your company that you are going to open or it is already a company which is going to be there. Ultimately, people make that happen. चाइना के बारे में सब लोग नेगेटिविटी करते हैं. हमारे इंडिया में तो जरा ज्यादा ही उससे नाराज रहते हैं. कोई भी हमारे पड़ोस में अगर अच्छा आदमी होंगे बोले नो नो नो, इज सो बैड. ऐसा होता है ना, मेरा बच्चा सबसे अच्छा है, शी इज द बेस्ट, यू नो, पूरी कॉलोनी में सबसे ज्यादा मार्क्स इसके आते हैं. बट वी विल नॉट बी अप्रिशिएटिंग द पीपल हु आर रियली गुड फॉर वट एवर रीजंस इट मे हैपन. बट चाइना में व्हाट आई वाज सेइंग दैट which as a managers you should know, the labor reforms. तो हमारे यहाँ लेबर को इतने राइट्स हैं कि कोर्ट में जाना पड़ेगा, वहाँ पर कोई ऐसा नहीं. तो इसलिए उसको बचाने के लिए हमने आउटसोर्सिंग किया. नाउ वी आर फाइंडिंग आउट सम कंपनी टू सप्लाई द लेबर टू गेट अवे फ्रॉम दैट प्रॉब्लम्स. नाउ दोज पीपल हैव बिकम लाइक गवर्नमेंट पीपल. सो द लेबर यू कैनॉट टेक आउट इवन द कॉन्ट्रैक्ट लेबर नाउ बिकॉज कॉन्ट्रैक्ट लेबर अबॉलिशन एक्ट हैज कम. बट इन चाइना you can be kept in confinement 8 hours, छुट्टी, सो जाओ, फिर उसके बाद मतलब 24 घंटे में वो 2 शिफ्ट करते हैं, और हमारे यहाँ आधी शिफ्ट भी नहीं करते हैं. हाँ जी, यू आस्क आप. By anarchy he got so much achieved yesterday. Anarchy is not good for any country, but we are not discussing anarchy in the political system here. We are discussing how a management can be improved in the same situations. When I said labor reforms, I said our laws should be strong, where a non-performer should be sent home. You agree? If you don't, then tomorrow when you are a manager, below somebody is not working, you can do nothing. You agree or not? Somebody raised the question. चुप हो गए भी. एनार्की तो कहीं आपके घर में भी एनार्की ठीक नहीं है. अगर सारे बच्चे साथ चलाने लगेंगे तो मदर क्या करेगी? कुछ नहीं कर सकती है. सो वन एट ए टाइम. आई वांट दिस, ओके, प्रोवाइडेड लाइक दैट. हाँ जी. Commitment. And now you think what is the commitment of ours? We are only slogan shouters. We are only saying हम सब कुछ अच्छा है, इंडिया सबसे बड़ा है, वैदिक काल में हमारा सब लोगों को पढ़ाता था, आज भी हम बहुत बढ़िया हैं. Nobody can match us. We are taking refuge in, and I'm also with you only. I'm not from Canada or America. And we will say that नहीं वो country 2025 में सबसे नीचे अपने आप ही मर जाएगा. True. यही हम सोचते हैं ना, एक भगवान अवतार आएगा, वो सब इंडियंस को एकदम सीधा स्वर्ग में ले जाएगा. टीवी देखते नहीं आप लोग क्या? There is a mantra that you can be successful in the management without working. वो मंत्र पढ़ते रहिए. Many people keep on writing the mantras in their office also. And I have seen all that. That's something. And I'm not criticizing them. I'm saying this is our way of thinking. That is why we are there. How much economy worth of India is there? And I'm trying to just provoke your minds to break all those shackles. And if you don't do it, if the others don't do it, people from China will not come to India and make you prosper. No, we are. See, as a management, we don't blame anyone. You told that you have got so many people, you have got to find out how they should be taken to the path of production rather than destruction. So we are not criticizing anything, but you have to find out a way. So I think we have to leave because there is a charging problem. But I have almost completed my. हाँ कोई बात नहीं, अभी तो दो स्लाइड हैं, दिखाएंगे. हाँ. So this is just to show you the infrastructure, and this is how things happen in the world. We are also having the refinery which is largest in the world. You know that Ambani's.
KG basis.
Refinery I'm talking. The petroleum refinery. This is not Indian. This is Dubai. But I am telling you that these are the future of any country. So India is also endowed with so much of rich resources and rich brains. But our commitment to my thing, please don't agree with me, to my expectation it is not there. And that is why whatever we achieve is 1% of what we can achieve. Any comments? And what is your take? IGIA, I just want to mention, it's a 12,000 crore project and concrete, just to give in thoughts and your ideas. Thank you. God bless you.